Do you really think you are going to fail any shit test? Do you really think she's going to even try to shit test you? You're not giving her your attention and validation. Yo, what's up my inspired alphas? Welcome back to another video. Today I am telling you 4 reasons why you should ignore the girl you like. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Let's jump into the video. Number 1, attraction. Now, when I say you ignore the girl that you like, I don't mean that you don't talk to her. I mean you make the initial approach. You make your intentions known, but then you pull back and start ignoring her. You start to focus on your own things. There's a difference, because people out here think they're ignoring women, but they are afraid of them. You think that ignoring a woman who you've not even talked to will make her somehow magically approach you. Well, in some cases it might, but in most cases she will not. But once you make that initial approach, you pull back and start focusing on your own things. This will increase attraction, because now you become more mysterious. Now you become more interesting. You are giving her space and time to imagine and create a persona about you in her head. Guys, the big mistake I see with people out here is that once they approach a lady and they are within the same vicinity, they give her all their attention because they don't want other guys to talk to her. It's like they are protecting her. But that only works to their disadvantage, because you are working hard to please her. You are working hard to make sure that she does not forget you. But when you ignore her, when you focus on other things, when you talk to other people, now you are creating an image inside her mind about you. You are giving her an impression that, well, I might like you, but I am not going to chase you. And you'll give her that space and time to chase you. That is how you get women to chase you. Very simple. Less is more to women. And to life generally, less is more. So that is number 1. It will increase her attraction. Number 2, you will have a space and time to observe who she really is. And you will do this very easily, because now she's chasing you. Now she's the one who is trying to get your validation. So as much as you are talking to other people, you will observe and see how she behaves. Is she a woman that you really want to be around with? Because you will look and you will see her for who she is, because she's the one who is investing her emotions. You are just neutral. You can be able to observe her behavior. You can be able to observe her personality. Is she cooperative? Is she submissive? How is she treating other men? Is she someone who wants all the attention? Is she toxic? You're looking for green flags and red flags, but you'll do it when you are detached, when you are focusing on other things, and you will see her for who she is. I'm telling you, guys out here are not seeing women for who they are. They are blinded by their emotions. So you will look at her and see if you are compatible. If you are not compatible, well and good, you move on to other people, because you talk to other people. You are not fixated on one woman. You are not fixated on her. She won't have to control you. You'll be in control of yourself. You will observe yourself, how you behave, and you'll observe her, how she behaves, how she's behaving around other men. Maybe you might be looking at a hoe and you might, you'll see her for who she is, and you'll save yourself a lot of heartaches and headaches. Number 3, you will pass the shit tests. Guys, when you ignore women, you are giving yourself time to be composed and to be masculine. You are not chasing them, so you are not investing any emotions that will clog your judgment. So when a woman starts to shit test you, you will know these are shit tests and you will not take them personally. Guys, women find very sneaky ways to test men, to test the confidence of men. And if you are emotional, if you are chasing her, if you are putting her on a pedestal, when she tests you, you will become defensive. But when you are ignoring her, when you are detached from her, do you really think you are going to fail any shit test? Do you really think she's going to even try to shit test you? You're not giving her your attention and validation. So she is chasing your attention, she's chasing you. Do you really think she's going to shit test you? And even if she's going to shit test you, don't you think you're going to see her, because you are observing her, you are looking her for who she is, another human being. And when she's not congruent with whatever she's saying, that is a shit test. Because shit tests are designed in a way to be really weird and to throw you off balance. To throw you off balance, of course, your confidence. But when you are ignoring the girl you like, when she gives you a shit test, you are going to pass with flying colors. And the more you pass shit tests, the more she perceives you as masculine, and the more she's going to be attracted to you. It's that simple. Last but not the least, you will be able to control yourself and your emotions. Guys, when you like a woman, sometimes the brain gets fucked up. And we have all been victims of this, where you think you are becoming masculine but you have started simping. But when you ignore a woman, you will be able to be in control of your own emotions. You will be able to control the situation. Guys, you will be able to control yourself. And women love guys who are strong because they can control themselves. Being masculine is being in control of your own emotions. How you respond to her. It's that simple. It's that simple. So guys, make sure you are trying to, when you make the initial approach, pull back and observe her. Let her chase you, and you'll see all these things coming together and making your life so simple. Don't make this complicated, make it as simple as possible. Hopefully you got value from today's video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.